In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable battery saver mode on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you're going to come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select system. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says power versus power mode, click the drop down and select versus plugged in, click the drop down again and select best power efficiency. You can do that as well for, if you have a laptop, there might be a battery option under here. You would select the same option for both, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.